everyone, happy Friday. Today I want to talk about one of my favorite items in the kitchen. And from the title right here, you already see that I want to talk about Chinese knife. In my kitchen, we don't have a food processor. We don't have multiple knives. We only have one. And this only one knife, we can use it for so many different ways. It's really an all-purpose utensil. It's so useful. And I can show you a few ways to inspire you as well. All right, let's get started. So this is my Chinese knife. It's actually really sharp and really good. It's from my Shifu. And number two, you can shred it into very thin slice, or we also call it julienning. And number three, of course, you can use the blade to dice an item into square or like here. Of course, number four, we can use the blade to mince. Number five, we can use the spine of the knife to tenderizing meat. And this one is a lot of fun. You can even use it to peel garlic with the side of the knife. You see? You smash it, and then it's easily peeled. For all your food with the side of your knife like this. And last but not least, you can use the end of the handle right here as a pestle. So there above are just a few ways how I use my Chinese knife. I know that a lot of other chefs are really good at it. They can use a Chinese knife to debone a chicken or even carving tofu into flowers. Okay, it's actually really quite amazing. So guys, comment below and let me know what is your favorite item in your kitchen, and I'll see you next Tuesday. Bye!